Hey guys, what's going on? I'm John, Salt, Pepper, and Fire, and on today's menu, we will be doing chorizo smash burgers, so stick around, let's get it. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. Right here, we have a pound of churros that I'm gonna put in the bowl. Pound of organic ground beef we're gonna add. We're just gonna mix these two together. And since the churro is seasoned, I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper to this mixture. Let's just get this mixed up. All right, now that the ground beef and chorizo, which I pronounced wrong a second ago, is mixed up, we are gonna go ahead and start making this into balls. Usually make it anywhere from 3 ounce to 5 ounce, just your preference. So we will get these rolled up. All right, these are all rolled and ready. As you can see, I will get the griddle up to temperature and I'll bring you over when we get ready to put them on. All right, before we get the burgers on the griddle, we are gonna make a little sauce for these burgers, and we're gonna go in with some sour cream first. To that, we will add about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Not quite a teaspoon, a little less than. About a teaspoon of black pepper. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And the juice from 1 clementine. Give this a mix. All right, and we will refrigerate this and come back to it once the burgers are done. All right, we're gonna get a little butter down to get our buns toasted. Okay, that didn't take long at all. That one over. These are ready. All right, let's smash some chorizo burgers. You ready? So as you can see, these chorizo burgers are done. They look amazing. Man, I can't wait to eat them. So let's go ahead and build this burger and get ready to eat it. All right, so let's get this built. Here's our sauce from earlier. We'll go down with a layer of it. Look at that. I pretty patty down there. And here's some pico from a cook earlier this week. We'll add it on top here. We will crown this burger. Look at that. All right, let's take us a bite. Out of 10. All right, guys, these burgers did not disappoint. So let's do a little bit of a recap of what we've done. We took out the ground beef and the chorizo, mixed it together, added a little bit of black pepper. Then we went ahead and made a sauce for the buns. Then we threw on the buns on the griddle to brown them. Then we threw on the chorizo burgers. Then we threw on our cheese, and man, the result was great. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate you coming by the channel. Please give me a like, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until next time, we'll see you guys.